me rough you up. Bitches dumb as fuck, but down the fuck. Bitch, tough luck, leave you in a muck, running out of luck. Hoes wanna buck, but all I wanna see is green stacked up. Bitches be whack as fuck. If you think you stopping me, I'ma be what I set out to be. And if you look down on me, I'm burning down your balcony. You thinking, how can he be so cold, but as hot as flames, man? How can I complain? Soon I'll be chilling in a private plane. Shit, I might be insane. All these dark thoughts in my brain, it's hard to contain me. You won't stop me, no one blocking me. All my dogs be clean, I surround our necks blessed. No one can contest, the devil sent me to set the world aflame. It's hard to maintain a level head when all you wanna be is dead. Ill, playing with divine will, living my life to make it trill. I'll rob your house for the thrill, pulling in bills, making youngins write wills. I wonder how many I'll have to kill to get my fill. Now I'm colder than rain, I'll bring the pain insane. They will try to contain me. Been up for 4 days like I injected ice. I'll kill a track for the right price. I live every day by the roll of the dice. How many tracks do I have to kill? Maybe I should cut it off and pop pills. Living this lifestyle for the thrills. My raps give her chills, that's all she knows. Can you believe these hoes? I tried it once, got a hospital stay, had a comfortable stay, but I pray to make it out. Sometimes I go to sleep and don't want to wake up, or fall down and wonder how to get back up. This shit's real, you have to feel your music to make it. Be your music, not fake it. I'm taking it to the top.